encounter nature in this period of natural history when human being transcends the classical and modern boundaries. During this process, what enhancement human, post-human subject attain and what elements or substance he or she lose. We are looking for new connection between nature as non-established and the human nature under an unprecedented situation which change both concepts. Considering Anthropocene, variable relationship between human and nature requires a non-ordinary research program on human nature we call unconscious and on nature as a post-noumena.